time to parry art and draw. Today, we will make cute bunny. So let's make cute bunny. First of all, we will draw bunny eyes, then a little black nose and a cute mouth. Now, when will we make big ears for bunny with the help of carved lines? Friends, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and like the channel. Look, friends, eyes are looking at you. Now, we will make two hands with which our bunny will hold a balloon. After that, we will make a cute look for Bunny, which will make Bunny run faster. Friends, now we will make a circle inside our bunny's belly. Now it's time to draw balloons, friends. After that, we will give the balloon to our bunny. Now we will create 3 hearts for our dear friends who will subscribe to us. 1 heart, 2 hearts, 3 hearts. Now we will make the outline and beads of the bunny, which will make our bunny look nice. So, friends, you also will color in the cute bunny and enjoy the video.
Chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel. Monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought